So here is a quick video guide on how you can check the battery life of your iPad. So traditionally, you're just supposed to go to your settings, then you click on the battery tab here, and you get your battery life by the side with your battery percentage. But on the iPad, you don't get the battery life. So what can we do in this situation? For this video tutorial, we'll need a laptop, your iPad, and a USB-C cable. For your laptop, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get the tool called 3U Tools. That's the tools we'll be using to check the battery health of your iPad. So let me just walk you through. When you go to the website, you see a product download, a product download interface, yeah? You click on 3U Tools for Windows or Mac OS and you download the 3U Tools that's compatible with your system. So when you're done downloading it, you just close your browser tab and you open the 3U Tools. So these are the tools. This is the tool. All you need to do now is connect your iPad to your laptop. So let's connect the iPad to the laptop. So we're going to connect this here. We're going to connect this here. So you allow it to load. As you can see, successful connection. It shows you a message that your connection is successful. So what do we do now? Basically, when you connect your iPad to your laptop, this tool shows you the general details of your iOS device, of your Apple device. So let me just take this up a bit. So as you can see, we have iPad 10 Gen 64 GB blue, not charging. So as you can see, we have the iOS version here, jailbroken, no, activated, yes, product type, iPad 13. So you also have the sales model, the IMEI, serial number, ECID, crash analysis, 0 time. If you go to other place, you have the Aqua ID lock, online query, iCloud on, production date 2024, warranty date, online query, CPU, hard disk, charge times 147 charge times. Then we have the battery life there, which is on 96%. This tool is very, very accurate. So now all you need to do is click on the details here and you get your full battery detail. The charge times, it is 194 times. You also have the design capacity, which is 7,544 mAh. Then you have your battery life, which is 96% here. You have the charge mode, boost voltage, like total battery details. And this doesn't only work for your iPad. It works for any iOS device, your iPad, your iPhone, MacBook, anything at all, as long as it's an Apple product. So basically, this is the most simple way you could check your battery life on your iPad. No need to go through all analytics, settings, and stuff like that. So do well to drop a like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.